Hi guys, I hope you're doing amazingly well. My name is Neha Manchanda. I am a life coach and counselor, and this is my channel, Wake Up Call. So, actually, today I'm going to start by complimenting you guys because during this lockdown period, you're coming and taking out time to come and watch my video, which means you're actually interested to enhance your personality skills. So, very well done, guys, and thank you so much for coming and watching me. So, I hope you liked my previous video on linguistic intelligence and you were able to identify if you have that intelligence within you. As committed, I am going to speak about logical intelligence today. So, logical intelligence is actually understanding of anything and everything around you. Yes, and the reason why is that is because people with high logical intelligence are very inquisitive. They will have a lot many questions. They always want to know things. They will always have how, when, where, why kind of questions with them. So parents, whoever has kids with high logical intelligence, all the best to you because they are going to ask you n number of questions. I'm sure they would be already doing that with you. But it's actually good, isn't it? I mean, if they want to know something and if they're coming up to you and asking you questions because they want to know how it happened, why is it happening, this will enhance their development. They would want to know a lot of things. They're very fascinated by different kind of patterns. They like to do scientific experiments also. What happens when you mix oil and water together? The oil floats on the water because of the density is low. So we have so many things that we've been learning all our lives. So you can give them the same things and they will enjoy doing that because of this intelligence that they have. They love to play with numbers. They like to do different kind of measurements and dimensions. So they would always do that. Give them a tape in the hand, give a pencil and ask them to go and measure, say, a room. They would enjoy doing that. And these kids actually, when they are improvising on all of this, when their growth is much better, they become very intuitive. Because they have, how, when, where, why questions for everything. How did this happen? They're always in the thinking mode. How did this happen? How is it done? How it is made? So this how is always there with them. And when they ask questions how for everything, that will help them with their problem solving techniques. Whatever, because life is full of challenges, right? And we would want our kids to deal with their problems independently. So these kids will be able to handle problems in much better manner. So there is this famous saying by a personality called Kevin Spacey that sometimes the person who is with the most logical is the person we call insane. People with high logic are very practical in life. They believe in facts and figures, and hence they're actually the problem solvers in a company. For them, career matters a lot. They wish to earn a lot of money. And by the way, emotional blackmailing doesn't help them. They are very critical thinkers. So games like chess and Sudoku, they would enjoy playing such kind of games. Within your family or friends, there would be people around you who would be very organized or likes to have categorized information, who is very much into skill development or do a lot of research. So these are the people with high logic. So people with high logical intelligence would be able to connect with me today. In my next upcoming video, I am going to speak about kinesthetic intelligence. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the updates of my upcoming videos. Give a thumbs up for a like and please share this because people really need to know. I had a lovely time with you and thank you so much for watching me. Please take care of yourself until we meet next. Thank you. Bye bye.